Potholes. These nuisances are so often the most complained about infrastructure concerns. Potholes. Nobody enjoys these severe pavement distresses. And so often the blame falls on you, the city. But it's not just you. Cities all over the country are losing the battle to maintain their pavements. Outdated methods of maintaining infrastructure, as well as extremely limited funding, have naturally led to decades worth of deferred roadway repairs.
And that's where HR Green's Pavement Management Services can help. Pavement management is all about applying the right treatment to the right pavement at the right time. When you invest in your roads in a strategic and timely manner, it can extend their usable service lives while making the best use of your limited public funds. HR Green's experienced pavement engineers have many years of experience helping agencies of all sizes. We use a data-driven, scenario-based planning process to help optimize budgets and select projects in an objective manner that maximizes the benefit to you and your citizens. We also recognize that each community is unique in its individual needs, so we tailor each program to suit your specific situation. We begin by assessing your roadway assets to better understand your existing needs. Then we incorporate best management practices that leverage our research and experience to assess whether your repair methods, design standards, and construction specifications provide the tools needed to maximize the value of each dollar spent. We will then work with you to set budgets and goals, as well as create a decision-making framework to make those hard choices in the likely case that your needs exceed your available resources. This process may involve implementing a software solution, which we can provide training for your staff, as well as provide ongoing support. Often this results in a compelling case for increased infrastructure expenditures, and we may even be able to help find other funding opportunities to meet any gaps you may have. In the end, we'll provide you with a prioritized capital improvement plan, unique to your city, and then help track its performance over time. Additionally, we can help foster trust and transparency in your pavement management program by engaging directly with your community via various public involvement methods like website pages, live project maps, newsletter updates, and more.
Whether you're just getting started or need long-term assistance, HR Green wants to help you prolong the life of your pavements and reduce your long-term maintenance costs, because nobody likes potholes.
If you would like to learn more about how HR Green can help, please visit our website at hrgreen.com or reach out to one of our pavement management professionals today.